Out in your favorite pair of high heels, feeling confident and pain-free. Does this sound like a distant dream? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. High heels, the epitome of fashion and sophistication, often come with the dreaded side effect of discomfort and pain. But what if I told you there are simple, yet effective ways to wear your beloved stilettos without wishing you could teleport back home to your comfy slippers? Yes, it's possible, and today, we're diving deep into how you can elevate your high heel experience. The relationship with high heels is a tale as old as time. They boost our height, confidence, and style, but at the costly price of our comfort. The pain from wearing high heels stems from pressure distribution, foot shape misalignment, and the lack of support within the shoe itself. This discomfort can turn a fabulous day into a painful ordeal. Yet, the allure of high heels keeps us coming back for more. So, how do we break this cycle of pain? The answer lies in a few simple adjustments and products that could revolutionize the way you wear high heels. Firstly, let's talk about gel or padded inserts, the unsung heroes of the high heel world. These are designed to cushion your feet and distribute the pressure more evenly, reducing the strain on any one part of your foot. They're particularly beneficial for the balls of your feet, a region that bears the brunt of the pressure in high heels. Simply slip them into your shoes and voila, you've got yourself a much-needed layer of comfort. Next, taping your toes might sound like a hack straight out of a secret society rulebook, but hear me out. By taping your third and fourth toes together, you alleviate pressure on the nerve that splits between them, significantly reducing pain. This little trick can make a world of difference in how long you can comfortably wear your heels. Another invaluable tip is to be mindful of the frequency and duration of your high heel wear. It's no secret that wearing them less will result in less pain. Opt for occasions where high heels truly enhance your outfit or confidence, and swap them out for more comfortable shoes when possible. Remember, moderation is key. Incorporating these strategies into your high heel routine can transform your experience. However, it's also important to invest in quality shoes with ample support. Choose the right heel height for your comfort level, and regularly stretch your feet to counteract the strains of high heel wear. Now that you're armed with these life-changing tips, we're eager to hear from you. Have you tried any of these methods, or do you have any high heel hacks? Your feedback enriches our community and helps us all stride confidently and comfortably in our favorite high heels. So, don't hesitate to leave a comment or send a message sharing your experiences or seeking further advice on making high heels a painless part of your fashion repertoire. Together, let's put the pain of high heels behind us and step forward in style and comfort.